How to use screen recorder in Android 11. The Android 11 update is filled with a few exciting features that make your phone more powerful than before. One of which is a screen recorder. This allows you to record a video of what you're doing on your phone, which can be a great tool for tech tips, troubleshooting, and more. Once you get the Android 11 update on your phone, here's how to use the screen recorder for yourself and make the most of it. While screen recorders have existed on some Android phones before Android 11, this was based entirely on which company made your phone. For example, Samsung phones came with a screen recorder, but ones from Google and Motorola did not. Android 11 makes this a system-wide feature across the board. So as long as you have Android 11, you can record your screen regardless of who made your phone. With that out of the way, here's what it looks like on a Pixel 4 XL running the Android 11 public beta. Swipe right on your quick settings until you see the screen recorder toggle. It'll likely be on the last page. And that's all there is to it. When you start a recording, you'll see a small red icon in the top right of your screen letting you know that the recording is live. You can record your screen as often or little as you want. But those recordings aren't all that useful if you don't know how to access them. Thankfully, it's as easy as hopping into Google Photos. The Movies section of Google Photos houses all videos saved on your phone. Meaning your screen recordings may be a little tricky to find if you have a lot of videos saved. That said, it's easier to find them here instead of endlessly searching through all of your photos, videos. It'll be a while before Android 11 makes its way to phones from companies like Samsung and LG. But with the Pixel 4 XL, you can ensure you're first in line for updates as soon as they're released. On top of that, the phone also delivers a great 90Hz display, excellent cameras, and snappy performance. If you're getting frustrated with the lack of privacy, slower speeds, or difficulty using extensions in Chrome, it's time to switch to one of these web browsers. Why would you want to plug in your phone every single time you set it down to charge when wireless charging is as widely available? These are the wireless chargers that you can trust to get you charged up consistently and stylishly. If someone ever tells you to get good at a video game, don't sweat it. Pick yourself up a pair of thumb grips for your PlayStation 4 controller and watch your game take off. These are the best ones you can find. Joe is a senior editor for Android Central and has had a love for anything with a screen and CPU since he can remember. He's been writing about Android in one form or another since 2012. And often does so while camping out at the nearest coffee shop. Have a tip? Send an email to joe.maring@futurenet.com. Text source, androidcentral.com.